Okay, so we're going to be creating a new Kahoot. Once you've logged in, you'll be coming to this screen. You'll see something that says create a new Kahoot and all the different types of Kahoots that you can create. So we're just going to click on quiz, and then we'll come to this screen. There's a lot of things that are required to begin. Title. This is really what most users are going to be seeing right away. So we should be making an interesting title, something that catches their attention and something that is relevant, of course. So designing an optimized Kahoot. We can then go into more detail in the description. Again, both of these have a character limit. In the description, we can also use different hashtags so that when people search, they can find our Kahoot easier. So this description is used to let the user know what the Kahoot will be about. Hashtags are also used so that new users may find this Kahoot. Who is this visible to? So it's either everyone or only me. So if we weren't ready to publish it, we could just do only me. What language and what audience. So if we're doing this for a school, if we're doing it for a university, so it allows people to search for different things. Credit resources. So if this was based off of a book or a series or a course or a person, you can put that information here. Next, we're going to be doing a video. So I already have a link handy for a video, so I just copied and pasted it here. And then the cover image. The first time I tried to upload a cover image, it said there's a problem. There seems to be a problem with our system. Please try again. The problem was that my image, the name in the image had a semicolon, which the system didn't like. So I went back, removed the comma, removed the semicolon, and then re-uploaded it, and it worked fine. One thing different about the cover image and some of the other images that we create is that the image size, the optimal image size, isn't the same. The image that we are uploading here gets used on 3 different pages, and in each page it's resized differently. The aspect ratio is different. So as things are now, it's impossible to make it look ideal in each of those 3 locations. These 3 locations include a small thumbnail when we're exploring multiple Kahoots, a larger sized image once we've clicked on the Kahoot we're interested in, and nearly a full screen image when we begin playing the Kahoot. I find the thumbnail image to be most important, so I aim to have the image look the best in its thumbnail size. And so that's why you see the dimensions as they are now. So here it's 625 times 467. 625 times 467. And it might not seem like it's optimal based on the way it looks here. So it looks like there's some space around the sides, and then when we go to the next page, there's space above and below. So obviously it can't be optimal for both. What is important is that when our users are coming and looking at it, at that point it needs to be optimal. And for that space, the most optimal dimensions are 625 by 467. And once we're ready, we click on OK, Go. And then it brings us to the next phase where we can add questions.